You will not believe what just happened. Dude! Oh my gosh! No way! No way! This video is sponsored by Snapdragon. So recently, Snapdragon sent me to the UK to work on a super secret project that has something to do with Formula One. And if you follow me on my other social channels, you know how much I love Formula One. So when they said England, Formula One, photography, yeah. Now this is a phone that I got to take with me to England. Of course, this is the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. And for reals, like I know this is a sponsored video by Snapdragon, like this is such an incredible smartphone to take photos and videos. Like the fact that you can capture ultra-wide photos at 0.7x and zoom in all the way and capture photos at 10x is kinda insane for a device that fits in your pocket. Like it's supposed to be a phone, but it's not. It's an insane camera that happens to take phone calls. So anyway, I went to England and they took me to Silverstone. Silverstone, one of the greatest racetracks ever in the world. I am freaking out right now because I'm at Silverstone. I'm on this bridge over here. Below me is the track. Look, there's the starting grid. Turn 1 is right over there. And I'm filming everything on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Oh, it's gonna be a fun video. I was having so much fun taking photos with the phone and just being there at Silverstone, just awaiting for my assignment to kick in. But the funny thing was that they were very vague about what I was supposed to do. Like I met some of the production crew who were supposed to film me, but they kind of went off to prepare for the shoot, which was totally fine, but I didn't really have any clear direction for the entire day. Turns out, that was intentional. You'll see why later. But me being the A+ student, I made sure to study up on all the cool features of the Samsung S24 Ultra. Features like Circle to Search by Google, where you can literally circle, highlight, scribble, or tap on anything on the screen to see search results. Or the Transcript Assist feature, where it uses AI to transcribe, summarize, and even translate voice recordings. That's a really cool feature. Or Nightography, where it uses AI to help you capture really stunning photos at night. There's like so many cool features this phone is capable of, and I just wanted to make sure I knew everything because I thought I'd be talking about the phone while taking photos on the track. Maybe even see a Formula One team, maybe. But when I was studying and looking up my notes, I got a little nervous because I still had no clear direction. So they drove me around and took me to this super secret facility. And when I opened the doors and walked in, it turned out to be the Mercedes-AMG Petronas F1 team.
Yeah, okay. Fine. Right, ready?
Okay. Oh, I'm so nervous.
You got this.
What? I did not expect this. I did not expect this. Okay, Mercedes. I'm a huge Mercedes fan. In fact, I got this Lego F1 Mercedes car. Like, I love Mercedes so much. And so when I walked in, I was like, hi, this is so cool. But then this happened.
I know there's so much to take in, but if it's okay with you, we're going to start with one of Lewis's cars.
Lewis's car, oh my God, okay.
I'm going to take you around here.
Okay.
So, this is the W12, a couple of years old, but it's car number 44. It's also Lewis's. It's one of those things where when people see them up close for the first time, they don't realise just how big they are, like almost 6 meters long. We could talk about this for hours, but I want to show you this. So these are the rear tyres. So these are the slicks. So when it's dry conditions, we're trying to get as much grip as possible. I don't know if you can see these little holes here. So these little holes are how we measure the depth of how much rubber's worn away. So over time we can figure out what strategy. You know what? I'm all right at this stuff. There's a better tour guide. I'll see if I can find it.
The DEG, right?
I'll see if I can find it.
Dude! Oh my gosh! No way! What are you doing here? No way! Dude, can I give you a hug, bro? Oh my gosh, dude! Oh, you are my son's hero and my hero, man. Like we watched you every race weekend. It's so crazy cool. My daughter got me a Mercedes Lego car, and we're just like building it together. It's so cool.
Wicked. Well, welcome.
Thank you very much.
How cool is this?
This is insane. This is insane. What the heck?
I'm glad you didn't know I was coming.
I had no idea. I met Lewis Hamilton, the greatest F1 driver of all time. Lewis Hamilton. That was not the project that I thought I was gonna do. Like, I thought I was gonna take photos with the Galaxy S24 Ultra of cars racing around the track, and that's it. But Lewis Hamilton? what? Like, I'm saying this out loud and I still don't believe it, but it happened. Lewis, I get to call him Lewis, we're like on a first name basis, but he is like the nicest person ever. He got to give me a little tour of the facility. He got to show me his favorite helmets. He even let me hold the team's winning trophies from the Monaco Grand Prix and the Silverstone Grand Prix. And I was like, what are you doing, man? I might drop these. And this whole thing was filmed by a production crew using only the Samsung S24 Ultra. And I know this is a Snapdragon video, but what a cool statement it is that one of the coolest moments of my life was captured on a smartphone. Not a professional camera, but a phone. Like, going off track for a little bit, off track, but I've got expensive camera gear and unfortunately I don't use it nearly enough to capture spontaneous, on-the-spot moments, especially meaningful ones. Like, those moments happen so suddenly and chances are you would capture those moments with a smartphone. And so for me, it was just a great reminder to always capture the moment, regardless if I have professional camera gear or not. And with smartphones like the Samsung S24 Ultra, a phone that's capable of capturing high-quality photos and videos, it just makes it possible for anyone to capture those moments. So for me, I thought it was a really cool statement from Snapdragon to just capture the moment with the camera you have, which almost always is your phone. Oh, and I got to show Lewis some really cool AI features on the Samsung S24 Ultra, features like Object Eraser.
Generative AI is amazing because it can like pen in there. It's crazy. It's a pretty cool pen. What's cool about this is that you can use a clicker to take a photo, like from far away.
No way.
Which is quite nice. So we don't like that over there, right? You want to clean it up. That's okay, no worries. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to Object Remove. I'm gonna click on that, and we're just gonna lasso this guy. There we go. And erase. And magically, it's gone.
That's crazy.
How cool is that, right?
And of course I got to take some photos with the phone at the facility, like, oh my gosh, like this shot over here of Lewis's helmet, oh man, and this shot over here with all these race cars. And I probably could have taken a lot more, but I was just absolutely floored by the fact that I just met Lewis Hamilton. Like, I don't think I've ever been that nervous ever in my life meeting somebody. Like, I've met celebrities and I don't really freak out, but when Lewis surprised me, I freaked out. I think I yelled at his face. Dude, oh my gosh, no way. Good, real good.
You know what, it's just, I'm like taking it in, and I'm just taking all this in, I'm just blown away right now.
Oh, okay, yep.
Visibility a little bit, but. And over the time, the helmets back in the day,
Yeah.
I could see it happening, and I was like, oh.
I can erase you if I want to.
So anyway, that was the reason why Snapdragon brought me to the UK, to not only take photos with their Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, but also to meet Lewis Hamilton and experience one of the greatest moments of my life. Okay, so that's the video. Oh, hopefully you enjoyed it. Also, follow my new friend Saray. She's great. She does a lot of tech stuff. So yeah, link will be down below.
Yeah, link below.
Did you have fun?
The best time. The best day of our lives.
Lewis.
Best day of our lives.
Oh!
Oh my God.
All right, see you guys.